I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 5 of my drive from Kargil. I'll probably be stopping over at Srinagar for the day, or maybe even Jammu, depends, because I plan to even stop over at the Kargil War Memorial, so all that would take time. Another thing is the Zojila Pass, as it's open between 9 and 1 a.m. because if I miss today's window between 9 and 1 p.m, I will miss altogether till Saturday, because Friday is their service day or something, so Friday no vehicles are allowed to pass. So it's either today between 9 and 1, or I'll have to wait till Saturday to pass the Zojila Pass. So it's going to take me some getting there. So based on the time available, I will stop over at Kargil War Memorial and then proceed for my journey further on to Srinagar or maybe even Jammu. So this is the view when you are exiting Kargil on the road onwards towards Srinagar. Just look at this view. I don't need to say much.
Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this.
So river flowing by. This river also goes into Pakistan, by the way. Look at this view. Running to the right of me is the river here. You don't feel like you're in India, you feel like you're in a foreign country. The roads are so good here. Mountain passes, landscapes, the early morning sun, everything just so perfect. This place is called Kaksar. It's somewhere between Kargil and Drass. Look at the river here. Got some current flowing, man.
Steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
Just look at this lovely river flowing past this village just after Drass. So now I have crossed the Drass village, and the next village, rooted village rather, which will be up ahead, is Matian. And these roads are so welcoming. The landscape is just so beautiful and peaceful. You can never get bored driving on these roads. So this is before a village called Matian, and after Matian will be the so-called mighty Zojila Pass. And then after that would be Srinagar. Look at the river on the right hand side. started the climb for the mighty Zozila Pass. I'm going slow because I want to enjoy the beauty.
Live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only got one, so you better go live it up.
Those were a few MH bikes, Maharashtra. Yeah, Himalayan and the KTM Adventure Sport. Welcome to Kashmir Valley. You are at Zozila, altitude 11,649 feet. Awesome. It's a bad river crossing. Not river crossing, but water body crossing on the Zozila mountain top. There we go.
I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up.
That was a rough 3-4 kilometers, which have not shot completely, but as bad as the roads that were shot just now. So this is the road, 33 kilometers before Srinagar. Look at the road, look at the landscape, the greenery, just wonderful. It's 3:15 p.m. and it's overcast. What a lovely time to drive. Guys, I'm not entering Srinagar. This is the Srinagar bypass road which goes directly towards Jammu. The reason being, if I had to go to Srinagar, I would have needed to take a left at the diversion ahead, behind, and it would be another 30 kilometers from there. So I said I'd rather do 30 kilometers on this route going towards Jammu, because Jammu's on my way back to Mumbai. So that's one of the main reasons why I did not go into Srinagar. So I will be going in this road as much as I can, and as far as possible till I am tired, sleepy, or whatever it is. So guys, as I earlier told you all that I took the bypass road, escaping Srinagar. So now this is the main Srinagar Jammu highway, something like what we have in Mumbai, the Mumbai-Pune Express Highway, except this is 2-lane. The Mumbai-Pune Express Highway is 4-lane each side. This is 2-lane each side. So far, I think I've travelled just about 3 or 4 kilometers on it, and it seems good. I hope it remains good for the rest part of the journey. There's around 240 kilometers left. However, I don't plan to do complete the 240 kilometers today itself. I'm probably going to check into a restaurant in some time if I get a decent one along the way. It's 4:44 p.m. in the evening. So let's see how far I go. I'm not feeling sleepy or drowsy as of now, so makes no sense to just stop for the heck of it. So I'll probably just drive along. The traffic is moving. There is traffic, but it's moving. So as long as there's no jam, that is good, because it doesn't cause much stress. So guys, this is the Banihal Wazigan tunnel. And the speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. I'm actually well below the speed limit. I'm at 40. So the real-time speed, if your car shows 40, the real-time speed is around 33 kilometers per hour.
Live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, what a rock star in this life, I'm living up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad.
So guys, this is the end of episode 5, which was Kargil to Banihal, which is around 153 kilometers roughly from Jammu. I could have gone a lot more, but I thought I'll stop here for the night. I stopped at the JKTDC Center, which is the Jammu and Kashmir Travel and Tourism Company, also known with the subsidiary name of Hotel Alpine. I'll leave the photo here in this description below. And this is just a minor tour of the room. Washroom, hot water throughout the day, all 24/7. Pretty clean, neat, well maintained. A cupboard, center table, and all it cost me was rupees 1400 with a proper bill and everything. And this is also the garden outside. This is an outside view of the hotel, an outside peak. Subsidiary name is Hotel Alpine. Again, here you have ample parking, a lot of greenery, and an adequate bed. And they have a cupboard here as well. So tomorrow will be my onward journey from this place to probably Amritsar or something. Let's see how far I go, and we'll take it from there as it comes. So I'm a bit zoned out and sleepy for the day. I'm gonna rest, have a nice shower, transfer my videos onto the laptop, and until then, cheers, take care, and God bless.